Hi there and welcome to the Contabo channel. I'm Hajro and in this tutorial I'll show you how to configure PHP settings on your server, whether you're running WordPress, Joomla or any other PHP-based website. Let's get started. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It's the language behind most dynamic websites, powering forms, logins, databases and more. If you're hosting a site with Contabo, chances are you'll need to tweak PHP settings for performance or compatibility. These are often referred to as your php.ini settings. PHP settings are controlled by a configuration file called php.ini. Depending on your server and setup, it's usually found here for Apache, PHP-FPM, or command line PHP. This structure reflects both standard php.ini and PHP-FPM settings. To find out which PHP version you're using, run this simple command. Once you know the version, open the file using a text editor like Nano. This is a common example of how to access config.php files directly. Here are a few important settings you might want to change. The memory limit that controls how much RAM PHP scripts can use, the maximum file size that sets limit for file uploads, the max post size that affects how much data can be sent via post requests, the maximum execution time that limits how long a script can run or display errors that are useful for debugging during development. You can search inside php.ini by pressing Ctrl+W and typing the setting name. To change a value, just edit the line, like this. Make sure to save the file and exit. After updating php.ini, restart PHP and your web server for changes to take effect. If you're using a PHP-FPM and NGINX, type this command. This will reload your PHP-FPM settings correctly. If you're using Apache, type this instead. To double-check your settings, create a PHP file in your website's root directory with this code. Save it as info.php and open it in your browser. It will show you all your active PHP settings. This is a simple way to confirm changes made in php.ini or config.php files. And that's it. Now you know how to configure PHP settings on your server to meet your application's needs. From php.ini adjustments to PHP-FPM settings, you're now ready to fine-tune your environment. If you find this video helpful, like it, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!